La Pynsangeh no Shwa ke Jingiakhih ke Garo Hills Day minta kesengi nak ada ke Jingiakhih juga nong tray ke GHADC ke Planet Slam. UMDC ke Tura Bernard and Marak ulapan pau ke jing sosin egi ya ke jing ke baki kilamat ha GHADC. Ula ong bakani kesengi kedai kesengi bekerpang tain Garo Hills naduk belapia ayo uput usam ha usnem kat pras pa andru kendai. Umarak ula ong bakini ki nong tray ke belapan long Jingiakhih minta lalai benai kenti. Henry kedang wan cakamat ban ais nam sobha kum kadak ban Rakhe ke Garo Hills Day. Ula pentik naru bahadien lalak ban weng ya kini Jingiakhih on sa Rakhe ke Garo Hills Day hakarukom ke beisong kun.
This year we are celebrating but in a very different way because we are grieving with the employees of the district council who have not been paid their salaries for 44 months, and they have been agitating for almost 3 months now. The backlog is 44 months, which is their genuine demand, which it has to be paid to them, but the executive committee has failed. So today we have celebrated by donating blood, and if the situation subsides and the employees withdraw their agitation, if the salary is paid, we will celebrate in a grand way, and it will be very different from the other years.
Kador barsnong laban henin kasih